Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kenijah. We back with another video, y'all. So today I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install, but today we're gonna do it like different. We're gonna do a long bob. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Actually wait, before we get right into this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button because your girl's on the way to 7K. 7K. Matter of fact, we on the way to 10K. That's the road we on. That's when we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna celebrate when we get to 10K. But anyway, back to the video. I'm just going to start off by putting some come on, get your words out. Putting some makeup on her cap. I already cut off the cap because I feel like you already know how I do that, how I melt the cap down and all that stuff. If you don't, go back to one of my old videos, like frontal install videos, and you can see I do the same routine. So I'm putting makeup on her cap. Now I know y'all like, girl, you never use makeup, but y'all, lately I've been using makeup because it really like melt that lace into your skin. If you got lace that's not transparent, I suggest that you use makeup or a lace tinter. I do use lace tint sometimes, but I just think this makeup is kind of like getting to me. Like, I think I kind of like the makeup. So yeah, I'm putting makeup on her lace and on the cap. And then I'm going to spray her lace with Got To Be spray. And then I'm going to blow dry it dry so that the oils from the makeup does not affect the glue sticking. So yeah, let's do that, baby. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to just put her wig back on because I took it off to blow dry the makeup dry. And I'm just matching it up to where I want it to lay. And then after that, I'm going to take my hot comb and hot comb the hairs out of my way so that when I glue her wig down to her hair, to her head, that the hair won't be in the way. I want to clean glue down. So I don't want no hairs in my way. So that's why I hot comb all the time before I start gluing. So now I take my scissors and I just cut 3 slits into the lace. Y'all, I recently learned this and I did it on myself the other day, and I just felt like it is way more easier to do it in sections than to just do the whole thing. So yeah, I literally learn all the time. There's enough room to learn all the time. Like, I'm literally on YouTube watching videos, learning all the time. Just because I do tutorials does not mean I'm not learning. So yeah, I like this method a little bit better than just keeping it whole and cutting it. So try it, y'all. Okay, so now I'm just cleaning off the makeup off her skin because we did get a little too happy with the makeup and get it on her skin. So I'm cleaning it off, and she looking really bald head ho-ish. So yeah, that's what you want anyway. You want it to be bald. Don't worry about the cap lifting up, because when you put the glue down, that cap is gonna be attached, baby. So today, y'all, I'm so happy. We are using a new glue. That's why I'm happy. We're using Gummy lace adhesive, y'all, and this is not even a sponsored video. Let me say that from jump. This is not a sponsored video. I love this glue, y'all. I use it on myself twice before I put it on my client. You know, I gotta be the test dummy for y'all. And y'all, I love this glue. Y'all know I am not a big fan of what is it called? Boho. But I do love Ghost Bond. But now I love this glue. Like, she did not play no games with making this glue. Shout out to her. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Shout out to her. Y'all, like, go try this glue. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and y'all go buy this glue. It's not even a sponsored video, but let her know that I made y'all go buy that glue. Okay, guys, so we decided to do a side part, and now I'm just parting the back of her hair, and I'm gonna hot comb it over so that none of the tracks are showing from the wig. Don't mind the cast on her hairline because that's gonna go away. You know, we gotta do our melt method. But yeah, that's why you gotta stay tuned. Matter of fact, make sure you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Okay, you gave it a thumbs up. Okay, sis. Yeah, so now we're just gonna hot comb the back of the hair, and I'm just gonna hot comb everything that need to be hot combed. Hot combs should be your best friend when it comes to frontals. So right here, y'all, I'm taking out the baby hairs, and then I'm going to spray it with my special spray. I'm not telling y'all the name of my spray. I'm not using Got To Be this time. Y'all gotta stay tuned to see the special spray now. Y'all gotta stay tuned to see the special spray. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna take my elastic band, wrap it up, and let that sit while I style the hair. And yeah, that's part of our meltdown process. After taking off the elastic band, then I just brush the baby hairs out just because it get a little bit stiff with the spray that I use. So then I just take my razor and then cut the baby hairs, and then I just, you know, swoop them up. If you want a detailed video on the baby hairs, just comment down below, because I'm not gonna get too detailed in this video. So I was showing her how thick it was right there. So I took my Afro G mousse and my tweezers, and I just plucked that part so it could be a little bit thinner, just because it's going by our ear. And when you guys pluck your wigs while it's on your head already glued down, make sure you wet that area so that when you pluck, particles of the hair are not still stuck in the wig. You want to make sure you pluck everything out as if you was plucking without the wig on your head. So I will definitely, you go across with the brush that I used to put the makeup on her lace, and go across the dark spots that I see in the lace. And then I'm just going to fix her part up, and I'm going to take my Fit Me foundation to fix her part up. All I'm going to do is just dab across the part and not make it too messy, and then I'm gonna have a cute part. Yes, y'all, look at this hair. So we decided to cut it a little bit shorter. We still wanted to stay on the longer side, so we cut it a little bit shorter. And all I'm doing is going through and adding a little bump to it. Not no major bump, because this is not the old days. Just a little slight something to make the hair, like, you know, flowy and stuff. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this video. So I just took some of my organic serum and I just put it on her hair to give it a little sleek finished look. And yeah, y'all, this is the end of this video. Look at this bob. Like, we did that. We really did that. I want you guys to make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram so y'all can stay in touch with me. Like, I'm really active up there. Ooh, look at them edges. Bye, y'all. Bye.